Hi, and welcome to Porto Photo Fest 2019. So for those of you who've been with us before, you know that we only find the coolest locations for our workshops, and this year is no exception. So if you've been wondering where the Portrait Extravaganza and Make It a Double will happen this year, come with me, I'll show you. This year's Portrait Extravaganza and Make It a Double photo shoot will be hosted right here in Porto's Hard Rock Cafe. Remember that this is the only time David Hobby will be teaching in a public event in 2019, and it will happen right here in this room with Sara Lando. We'll be here, will you?